Today we're going to take this tray and we're going to take this tray, and along with adding a couple new pieces that I'm going to show you, we're going to come up with a new themed tray today. Okay, I'm going to show you some items that I purchased this past week that I think are going to go on this tray. The theme that I'm going to go with is like a beachy cottage style theme. So we'll see how that turns out. I've not done a tray like that before. I'm going to start with these items here that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. If you go into Hobby Lobby, I think it's like right after Mother's Day, they start marking down a lot of their home decor every year. That's something that they do the last few years. I've noticed that they do that. And it's a good time to go in and see if you can find a really good discount on something. So I've got a couple items here that I picked up. I just want to show them to you quickly. This one was reduced to $4.99, this piece here. So this is like, I feel like this texture is kind of like a beachy, it's kind of like a rope design. It's kind of got a beachy feel to it, and it's also a larger piece. And sometimes I struggle to find like the right large piece on my trays sometimes. So there's that. And then the second one that I found, and I really wanted to find a real shell. And I recently went on vacation, and I wished that I picked one up while I was on vacation. And there were some sand dollars, and I saw these sand dollars in a store, and I was going to get those, and I'm really wishing I'd gotten them now, but I wasn't planning on doing a beach themed tray, but I don't know, maybe going on vacation kind of sparked that interest in me. I don't know. But this is, I guess this is maybe a planter. I don't know, it's a table decor piece. And so this was $15.99 originally, and it was reduced to $3.99. So it's a shell, it's a net blue color, and obviously you can put some flowers or something in here. So I'm gonna use this, hopefully. And then the last thing I got there were these lights. These are clear LED globe lights. These are $5.99. You can put some batteries in them. I just thought it might be fun. I know I'm going to try the lights on the tray. We'll see how that works. And then I was looking for a shell. I went into TJ Maxx. I didn't find a shell, but I did find this really cute turtle. And I wasn't going to get it at first because I thought it was a little bit much for a tray. It was $12.99, which for tray decor that's a little steep for me. I usually don't like to pay that much for one piece, but I did like it. I thought it was really cute, and I love the wood texture, and I also like the coloring on it. So I went ahead and got it, and we're going to try to use this on the tray too. All right, so we have a variety of pieces here that we're going to use. These are the things I pulled off the black tray, and then I have the cloche from the white tray. And then also I have these two the stand here, and then this is a little container. This has kind of a beachy look to it too. And then again with these pieces here, and then this candle. So, and I want to keep this because I feel like this goes with the beachy vibe too. I'm not so sure about the house. And then again, there's my new items over there. Anyways, obviously we're going to use the white tray and not the black tray today. So let's get started. Okay, I brought up a few more things too. The little candle, the little plant, and then those little rattan balls there. I don't have an actual direction here. I'm just playing today. So you're going to see me do, it might take me a little bit longer. You're going to see me, it's going to be a little bit different today because this is a new theme and I don't really have an idea in mind. So I don't think, we're not going to use this dough bowl, and we might be able to use this and this candle. I'm going to kind of put this candle up here. This piece back here. I do want to use the lights. Okay, so I have to take a good look at this for a second and just kind of look at it all around and see what I'm thinking here. I'm thinking I like it like this. I'm not sure about the rattan spheres in the cloche. I don't know. So I admit, trying to make the lights look drapey and kind of natural is something that I just never feel like I'm doing a really great job with it. So I'm gonna just play around with this a little bit more here and see if I don't like it any better. Okay, here's what I've come up with today. I'm not going to fool with it too much more. I really wish I had an actual shell or sand dollar on here. Who knows, I might maybe hit up Home Goods or something like that and see if they might have something, and maybe I'll add to it if I have some time. Okay, so here is where I have my tray. I feel like this right here is a traditional look, but I feel like with the light blues and the golds, I don't know, I feel like it kind of goes a little bit with the beachy theme and the beads here. And then I have my little basket here, but here's where I've put the tray, in the corner here. I like to put a tray in the corner here. And I'm liking the way it's looking. I wanted to show you real quick. I also got these at Hobby Lobby, and these were like, the large one was $20 and I got it for $4.74. I got both of these for $4.74. The same price, but they're heavy, substantial. Anyways, they were part of the clearance. They were in the candle section. I was happy to pick those up. I could probably maybe even use this smaller one sometime on a tray, but I've just got them tucked right here for now. I'll probably use them. Sorry, I don't want to make you dizzy. Up here in the future, I'm thinking. But anyways, that's where I have my tray. And a little explanation here. Every time I film on this camera, this throws pink here, and it kind of throws everything off. And in real life, this is not pink. What's happening is I have a deck that's the opposite out my door wall, and it's red. And whenever the light comes in, it just throws that red, kind of shows up here. So I don't know. I'm thought about what to do about that long term with paint or whatever. I don't know. I think the solution is to paint the deck another color. But anyways, that is something for another day. But anyways, here's how this looks. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Let me know in the comments what you might add to it yourself for like a beachy cottage theme. I'd love to know what your thoughts would be. If you're still with me, I just thought I would talk for a minute about a couple upcoming video ideas that I have if you're interested, and if you've been watching me for a while. Some of you may have subscribed to my channel because I do iron orchid design DIYs, and I haven't done those lately, I know, but I'm planning on doing another tray where I use my iron orchid designs molds and some a transfer that I have. And I have a DIY idea for my beaded tray, and I'm hoping to do that soon. And then also I do want to do a video where I do several of the iron orchid designs DIYs. I have a few things lined up. I just haven't really had the opportunity to sit down and work on them, and I'm hoping to do that. So if you're interested in that and you like that sort of thing, you might want to subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, because I was doing those things, I do plan on doing more of those soon. And depending on when I actually get that video out, I might even slip in a couple of Christmas DIYs, you know, especially if it gets closer to July. I don't know if it'll be that late, but who knows? Even if it's June, I might slip in a couple anyway. I don't ever think it's ever too early to talk about Christmas stuff personally. That's just me. But anyways, that's just a little bit of what I might have coming up on my channel. I really appreciate all of you who support me and watch my videos. It just means so much to me, and I look forward to making more videos for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.